this is what I do for wrapping. So I have a 6-cube hot stamp boxes. This is 5 inches by 5 inches by 4.5 inch. So nabuksan ko na. There are 6 boxes in here. Ito yung ginagamit ko to give my friends for Christmas as gifts. And then I also bought a pack of gifting tags. So it has 3 different designs. They're very, very cute. So, and then a ribbon. And then ito yung binili kong tissue for gifts. Gift wrap tissue. Okay? There are 50 sheets in a pack. Tapos, may iba't iba siyang kulay. Okay? It has different colors, guys. See? Different designs. And so, let's start wrapping. First thing I do, guys, I cut this gift wrap tissue in half. So, yan kalahati siya. Okay? And then, we'll put this all together. Ito siya, guys, box na siya. So, all you have to do is, yan. Ayan. And then, it has a cover. Ayan. Ito yung cover niya. This is the box. So, ang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin ito siya, itong gift wrap tissue as a liner. Yan, guys. Liner siya. It doesn't have to be perfect. So, yung other side, yung sideways na naman, para covered yung all sides. Okay. So, ayan. Tapos, ilalagay na natin ang ating macaroons sa loob. Okay. Depende sa inyo kung ilang pieces yung ilalagay nyo. This one, I'm doing this as gift to my friends. So, lagyan ko na 1 dozen. And then, isara natin siya. And we can put the cover on. Okay. And then next, mag-cut tayo ng ribbon. This one is a glitter ribbon. It has 1.58 cm times 365 cm or 5/8 inches times or by 144 inch yung size niya. So this is perfect for our little box. 12 feet yung total size niya. So magka-cut lang tayo ng siguro mga sapat lang for our box. Okay? 4 feet. Okay? Tsaka ito, may nakat na ako. Then we're just gonna cut the the tip like that. Okay. And then
kailangan i-tie siya at the top para hindi siya madudulas. And then, this is my favorite of all three. Kukuha tayo ng tag. Tapos, lagay natin ang ganito. Ayan. So now, you have a gift. This is really good kasi, I've thought about this idea because my friends have pretty much everything that they need, and I was thinking, what can you give to a person who has almost everything, material things? So, itong tinatawag kong labor of love. Okay, and then you can write, so, to, ayan, very personalized.